Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. Welcome all my nieces and nephews. I'm doing a quick video. I'm going to show you how to make Eggs Benedict from the food pantry, but with a twist. We are going to be doing sausage gravy, okay? Now, first thing, get fresh sausage, all right? I already got my pan heated up. All right. Mash your sausage down. They don't have to be perfect because we're going to chop these up anyway, okay? How is everybody doing? This was a request video, so I am doing it. Oh, right. Oh, come on. Come on. It's always something, I tell you. All right. Get your sausage going. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. I'm going to cook these until they are done. Brown on both sides, okay? Then I'm going to remove them. And in here, I have about a tablespoonful of flour. But this is pancake flour. Pancakes that I got from the food pantry. I don't have any, what do you call those? Bagels. But I do have 2 onion rolls, okay? These will do just fine. They're going to be delicious. I'm going to toast them. Once you have your oil, you're going to put your flour in here and make your sausage gravy. I will show you how to do that. In the meantime, between time, I've got some hot water here for the poached eggs I'm going to do. All right. I'm going to toast these right quick. Hold on. All right. See that? Brown. That's how you want your patty to look. Brown food tastes good. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm going to take these out of here. I'm going to put in just enough of this pancake flour. In this oil you see that's left, and all those good bits. Oh, yes. That's about enough right there. Now, as you see, I may not have enough oil. Put in some butter, okay? If you do not have enough oil, all right. Now, I'm using milk, the instant milk I made from the food pantry. Yes. Look at that there. Look at that. Yes. Thick enough already. Put some more. I'm blocking the light. Put some more in here. Stir it around. Now at this point, I'm going to put in my salt-free seasoning to give it that taste I want. I put in about a teaspoon. We're going to return the sausage to the gravy. Now at this point, you can keep it whole or do what I'm doing. Chop it up and incorporate it with the gravy, because that's what they do. This is going to be some good sausage gravy. We'll turn this fire down a little bit. When it gets to this point, you want some low heat. this around. Put a little more milk in here. Stir it around. At this point, get you a little black pepper, seasoned to taste. Not too much, okay? You do not add salt because the sausage is salty enough. Okay, turn it up just a little bit more. You want it low, but you do not want it to really boil because you just want the gravy to thicken and be nice. Milk away from that. Now, you want this water hot. You do not want it boiling. You're going to take rinse off the spoon. Swirl this water around. So it's swirling like a whirlpool, okay? Stirring it around, going all around. Now here's the trick to a good poached egg. You want to crack it and put it right in the center as low into the water as it can go, okay? As low into the water as it can go. All right. Now you don't have to poach the eggs. They can be scrambled. Okay. I'm gonna let these eggs poach. And I might scramble up an egg just to show you. But I think the poached ones will be just fine. Just look at this. Look at this sausage gravy. And for some reason, the pancake flour makes really good sausage gravy. Now, I'm gonna try it. Oh my God, yes. Now, the pancake flour will make the sausage gravy a little on the sweet side, a little bit. I like that. If you don't, use regular flour, okay? All right, these are toasted, perfectly toasted. Oh, let's do that again. Yeah. Nobody would ever think you can be fancy with stuff from the food pantry, but you can. I'm just gonna butter these to add a little more flavor, of course. Over top of each one. And it does not have to be this type of cheese. It can be any type of cheese. I'm gonna put a slice of Munster cheese. All right. Wait, I'll film the video, guys. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to as carefully as I can, get my poached eggs out of here. Oh, and I broke one. Oh. Broke my poached egg. That's all right. It'll taste wonderful. That's all right. These things happen. If it does happen to you, you keep on going. You don't stop. All right. Put the egg right there. These other little bits of egg, I'm going to put right there. Right there. All right. I'm going to take my salt-free seasoning. As my roommate walked by. Put that on top, see? Okay. We are going to take our sausage gravy over top. Over top. You see how much this little bit big? Right over top. This is enough for 2 people. 2 people. A little paprika. Parsley. Clean my plate up a little bit. And there we go. We have a sausage egg Benedict. If y'all got any questions, please do not hesitate. All right. Till next time, I am going to enjoy this. Bye-bye.